adding some protection to my new Toyota Tacoma. Well, good evening everybody, and welcome back to RobMotive. That's right, today I'm going to add a little front end protection to my Toyota Tacoma in the form of a bug and stone deflector. You know, I had one of these, this is actually the same one, on my 2020 Toyota Tacoma, and I decided I was going to go ahead and add it to this one. And I think because this one is magnetic gray metallic and this is black, it'll look even better on this truck, because if I'm being honest, the aesthetics is what really drew me to this in the first place. Kind of secondarily is the protection that it affords. What it does, it slips on over the front lip or edge of the hood, and that's to protect really the front of the hood from chips and stuff, and also to kind of deflect bugs and stones away from the windshield. Now, for me, down here in South Texas, you can't really drive past anywhere without seeing a vehicle with a cracked windshield. So anything that you can add that will kind of reduce that is a bonus for me, even if it doesn't work every time. So those are the primary reasons why I'm adding it. This is the WeatherTech low profile version, and it just screws into some inserts that actually fit in the hood. You may see these white inserts up here. Actually, they're new. I got those at Lowe's. They just pop in and then you screw a screw into them. So you're not drilling or sticking anything to your truck. I like that about this one. There are some versions that are held on by double-sided tape. No way would I do those. So I'm going to go ahead, I'll show you how to put the inserts in. And the reason I'm using new ones is because I couldn't get the other ones out of the other truck. They were in there that firmly. So luckily, Lowe's had something that I think is going to work just fine. Let me set this down. I'll grab one. I'll show you how they pop in, and then we'll go ahead and put this on. Pretty simple to do. Okay, as I mentioned, these are pretty easy. They just go inside the hole. It's just a little nylon-ish or plastic insert that has a hole in it that you can screw into. So across the top of the hood, there are little square holes already. One on each end, all the way at the end, and then 4 across the middle. Those are the ones that we're going to use. So this, we're just going to pop in this other hole. I've already got the other ones in. It does fit in there pretty darn firmly, so there you go. You could hear it go in, and that's good. You want it to fit in there firmly, and then when you put the screw in, it's going to kind of spread it open a little bit to hold it even better. So that's all we have to do for that. Now I need to go ahead and grab the guard. We'll get that up there and put some screws in. Here we go. Let's go ahead and position it up here. That's the easy part. Probably because I have the truck so high right now. Oops, gotta get it over the edges too, that helps. And it's gonna bolt on or screw on right through those holes. Hopefully, my screwdriver is magnetic. Does not appear to be. So I'm gonna try to feed these in there gently, carefully, by hand. And again, they've never been in, so I kind of have to create the threads as I go into the plastic or the nylon. And I just want to get one in there to kind of secure it, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the rest on. You guys get the idea. You just put the screws on. These are the ones from the previous truck. So they do have a little nylon washer, and then of course the screws themselves. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in, and then we'll take a look when I'm done. There's an aerial view. It's all finished. I think it came out pretty well. I think it looks pretty good on this truck. And man, I gotta say, I don't know if the camera does it justice, but it almost blends right in to the magnetic gray metallic color. But pretty simple, as I mentioned. The whole idea, again, is just to protect the lip of the hood area along here, and also to redirect things from flying right into the windshield. Had pretty good luck with it on my last truck. Never had a chipped windshield on that truck, so I'm hoping it performs the same. I like that it matches the visors that I put on the windows. You guys can see here, it looks like the same material, and it has the same finish. So pretty good there. I think it's a great look for the truck. And again, I think it came out really, really well. Now, if you're curious, the inserts that I put in the hood, in case you maybe have one of these, don't have the inserts, or maybe had a problem, they're right over here. You can take a look. Again, I got these at Lowe's. There's what they are. So if you're looking for these for some reason, you can pick those up yourself. I believe they come 2 per bag. Anyway, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Did you prefer it without, or do you prefer it without? I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. RobMotive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra, and RobMotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.